Come on. You got this. That baby can do this. Look at the grass. Come on, little boy. Keelan got to get the middle part right here. You see the middle part right there? Get that middle part right here. There you go, right there. Push. Use the muscles. There you go. Back it up and turn around and do it. Yeah, get that part. He's trying. He just got to use his muscle. He ain't strong enough. He missing all the spots. Hurry up. Get the middle part. Come back over here. Push. Gotta watch those lights. He done missed all the little spots. Come on back over here, get these spots. Push. Come on, little boy. You got the little spot. It's hot. Should be all right. Come on, you be all right, Keelan. Get it over that hump. Push. That's a tree stump. Go around it.